You're on the home straight now, so don't mess this next roundabout up. Hopefully you haven't committed any serious faults. Mr. Driving Examiner will ask you to turn right, third exit at the roundabout for Sunderland. Use your mirrors as soon as you hear the instruction. Signal right when it's safe to do so and move into the right lane. The right lane now splits into two lanes and the road markings say you can use either lane. Keep to the left lane. Be very wary of these traffic lights as they don't stay on green very long. Whatever you do now, do not go over to the left lane. You need to take up the middle lane on this roundabout. If you do go over to the left lane, then you'll have to leave at the next exit and let the examiner redirect you. Be cool because Mr. Driving Examiner will not fail you for going off at that exit. Keep an eye on these traffic lights because they could change. You need to be ready to stop safely. This is where you need to keep the car to the left. You've got your second exit straight ahead of you. You've got the dotted lines which you can hardly see. Whatever you do, do not drift into the middle lane now. You need to keep the car to the left, so put them eyes towards those signs in front of you and follow that left curb. Anticipating these lights changing to amber then red. Mirrors and signal to leave the roundabout. We're now going to do the same roundabout, but we're going to choose the right lane this time. Mirrors, signal, then choose the right lane and keep the signal on. Take up the right lane on the roundabout because it does not split into two lanes. It does not spiral to the left. This is where the right lane now splits into two lanes, so it spirals to the left. So you need to take up the middle lane here. Check the left door mirror, and if it's safe, you could move back to the left lane now. However, unfortunately for me, there was a lot of cars in the left lane, so I've had to leave in the right lane. I've kept my signal on for left, and when it was safe to do so, I've moved back to the left lane. What you don't want to do is come up to the next roundabout in the right lane, so get back to the left when it's safe to do so.